Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Cooking with Gracie Love, and I am your host, Gracie Love. And today I got something real fast and tasty for you guys. I was craving chicken, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese with more cheese and bacon, and I was just thinking, how can I get this all in one bite? And I said, oh, I could just put it all in one bowl. So I'm going to show you guys a fast, quick, and easy way that you guys can make a mashed potato mac and cheese chicken bowl. So simple ingredients we're going to use. I've already got my mashed potatoes done, and they were instant potatoes, okay? Nothing fancy, but if you would want to go ahead and make some fresh mashed potatoes, that's fine. Go ahead and boil your mashed potatoes, press them out, season them up nicely, do whatever it is you need to do. But I just used some instant potatoes, and we're going to add that the first layer to our bowl. I got a cute little bowl here that I'm gonna add my mashed potatoes in, and it just one of those dishes that are, like I said, just I love dishes you can put things all in one bite. So I'm gonna smash that down pretty good just so we can have some room for the rest of this stuff. So now after we add the mashed potatoes in there, okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our mac and cheese. Now you can add whatever mac and cheese it is that you like. I just went ahead and used the box macaroni that we had here. That is going to be the second layer in this bowl. So I'm going to add that right on top of the mashed potatoes. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of spread that out in the bowl. Oh, that looks so yummy. Okay, and that's kind of the vibe you want to get when you got those layers right there, okay? You want that mac right there on top of that mashed potato, okay? Just like that, all right? And then I'm just gonna add me some shredded cheese right now in the middle. That's optional. You can wait till the top. I'm going to add it right in the center. I'm going to add me another little thin the chicken. Let's add that in there real quick. So we're going to add our chicken. I got some chicken tenders that I got fried up real GBD like. I'm going to add those in there. There we go. That is fabulous. And I like to have chicken. I want chicken every bite, right? So now that we've got that in there, that's what that is going to look like. That is real fabulous and pretty. Just love that. And just continue just to layer that on there. And it should just look like that, really nice and lovely, okay? So now I'm going to do my next. If you have room in your bowl, I got a little bit of room. So I'm going to just do that same little layer again. Mashed potato. Nice little layer covering that chicken right up there. And don't be afraid if you got to push it down a little bit. I'm going to just mash it in there so I can get that next layer on there. Okay. And then we're going to do mac and cheese next. Again, covering as much as I can. And I'm pushing it down, like I said, because I want to get all my layers. I want to get 2 layers of everything. So that's up to you. That's totally optional. You could do 1 layer and be finished with this. That's up to you. All right. Ooh, that looks good. And then some more chicken on the top. That looks so yummy. That looks so good. Quick and easy. Like I said, I used instant potatoes. I used the box macaroni. So that doesn't take long at all to cook. Stick it in a bowl. Now I'm going to add some cheese on top of that chicken. Boom. Oh, that is so lovely. That is so lovely. So now we've got that cheese right there on top. It should look something like this, and we're going to go ahead and pop that in the microwave, like I said, for about a minute. or until that cheese is nicely melted. So that cheese is melted fantastic, and that's what it's gonna look like once it's all done and melted and all those layers are together. Now again, totally optional for you, but I'm gonna do just a little bit of bacon bits because bacon makes everything taste good, better, right? All right. Oh, this is something to die for. Oh, look at that. Whoa, that is perfection. I got my chicken, I got my mashed potatoes, you got that macaroni and cheese. It is everything that you want in a bite. That is so cheesy and good and creamy. That chicken is crunchy, but that cheese and that mashed potato together, oh my gosh, baby, that is heaven. That cheddar cheese just melted in between. Baby, that is good. That is good. Mashed potato and cheese chicken bowl, baby. This is something you definitely want to try. Quick and easy recipe, doesn't take long.